We got
a mix of everything.
Oh,
Yes.
sick.
Everything in the cups. Everything in the cups. And
Everything that was left.
Get
all
those
mixed together.
All that shit. Okay, even though this was only like right here, but still,
And
drank
Red
all
Bull.
that shit.
Yes.
Jaeger bomb.
Glasses. Everybody's glasses.
Yeah, there's some K2.
And the Bud Light. Alex.
Beer.
I'm about to
A
get
nice
me a
little glary
beer.
bowl.
Wait, where's Hayes at?
Some camel menthols.
You see, hey, you see this shit? I fucking nigger raped this shit and super glued this shit back together.
A broken tobacco pipe.
Tobacco pipe.
They're gonna turn it around.
Do you know they would
No, it's a
do you know
broken
they would kick you out of hookah?
I love you. Okay, bye.